Why spend time configuring your equipment and enclosures? APC's NetShelter SX ships with more standard features than the competition. It offers a single, adaptable design to fit every high-density application. It features vertical cable organizers, cable containment brackets, and vertical fiber organizers, and is easily customizable to accommodate any number of vendor products, which makes scaling and maintaining your data center seemingly effortless. Need to power your Blade server for a high-density deployment? You can install APC's metered rack power distribution units to provide advanced warning against unplanned overloads. PDUs will also indicate which racks and outlets can handle a new server, and which ones cannot. Protect your enclosures from environmental threats. APC's NetWatch security and environmental monitoring can protect your IT assets. It can be accessed locally or remotely, so your center can be constantly monitored. And environmental threats such as temperature, humidity, smoke, leaks, and vibration can be quickly responded to.
Keep complete control over your data center. APC's Infrastructure Central software provides a unified view of complex physical infrastructure environments. It collects, organizes and distributes key information from any SNMP-based equipment. Real-time monitoring enables quick assessment and resolution of events that can adversely affect IT environments. The information can be accessed by multiple users from anywhere on the network for precise monitoring. And of course, the platforms can easily scale and grow with changing business needs. Need to add an HD server? APC's capacity management software takes the guesswork out of scaling your data center. Conventional software simply manages configuration changes, but our platform does so much more. Simulate and predict the true impact a new server will have on your power and cooling infrastructure. Predictive simulation allows the user to prevent overloaded circuits before they happen, and to avoid generating hotspots from server overloads. APC's capacity management software makes it easy to maximize your IT space and to plan for your expanding data center. APC's in-row cooling improves efficiency by 30%. Less distance between the IT and cooling equipment means less fan power required to cool the data center. In-row cooling units work at elevated temperatures, improving efficiency while eliminating hotspots. Airflow paths are well defined and predictable, giving the ability to completely isolate and target high-density loads. Intelligent controls enable in-row units to cooperate, to actively respond to thermal changes. Variable speed fans optimize efficiency by automatically right-sizing the cooling capacity to the thermal demand. APC's in-row cooling is easily scalable, so you pay to cool only what you need today and add as you grow. Power needs will expand as your data center grows. As systems move towards virtualization, it is important for data centers to adapt both up and down. This is an old APC model, but with a new twist. With APC's UPS systems, you can easily scale down or scale up power and cooling capacity. Your data center can be using exactly as much power as it needs with no wasteful oversizing. So your center is as energy efficient as possible at all levels of demand.
APC's Hot Aisle Containment System, or HACS, consists of doors that cap both ends of the row. Transparent ceiling tiles, and APC's own in-row cooling units with variable speed fans, and a temperature-controlled air supply to the cold aisle. The hot aisle containment system isolates the hot aisle from the rest of the room, enabling the in-row cooling units to capture all the heat from the IT equipment, neutralize it, and supply cold air to the cold aisle. Cold aisle containment, or CAC, is typically deployed as an improvement to environments with traditional room cooling in place. The cold aisle containment system isolates cold air in the aisle, drawing hot air from the data center space. Both the hot aisle and cold aisle containment systems eliminate the mixing of hot and cold air. By keeping these airstreams separate, the cooling system can run with more predictability and efficiency. While both the hot aisle and cold aisle systems help solve today's data center challenges, the cold aisle containment exhibits some limitations in comparison with the hot aisle system. With the hot air contained, the in-row cooling units are able to capture all of the heat from the IT equipment. Mixing from the room is also eliminated, which increases the return temperature, increasing cooling capacity and efficiency of the in-row cooling units. With mixing eliminated, the in-row cooling system's variable speed is minimized, further reducing energy consumption. The cold aisle containment system is designed to isolate the cold aisle and allow the room temperature to increase, which in turn increases the return air temperature to the room cooling units. Because of floor leakage and other mixing that happens within a room cooling environment, the return air temperature cannot reach the same temperatures as in the HACS, resulting in less efficient operation of the cooling system. To improve efficiency in cold aisle containment, the temperature of the room must increase. This poses an issue for any equipment in the data center that is not contained, leaving non-rack equipment operating well above recommended temperatures. The hot aisle containment system can easily be dropped in to any data center without impacting the data center environment. Typical raised floor systems only deliver enough cold air to support a maximum of 6 to 8 kilowatts per rack. Higher densities require specialized design or the addition of fan devices for proper airflow. APC's in-row cooling solution in the hot aisle containment system supports densities of 30 kilowatts per rack and beyond. A significant advantage that the hot aisle system has over the cold aisle system is the ability to extend runtime. In the event of a cooling failure, runtime is decreased with CACS because the cold air used to cool the IT equipment is drawn only from the center aisle. In HACS, the equipment will draw the cold air from the entire data center, resulting in fewer cooling failures and extended runtimes.